I'm Dr. Ashok Kumar, Department of Zoology, Ganga Singh College, Chhapra, Saran, running under JP University, Chhapra, Saran, Bihar. Yesterday, I explained the viral diseases which are encountered in fishes, in which different diseases like infectious IHNV, infectious hematopoietic necrosis disease, viral hemorrhagic septicemia disease, and infectious hematopoietic necrosis disease, IHNV, caused by IHNV, and lastly, and then spring viremia of calves. Spring viremia of calves, since the culture of calves are about 80 to 90% in our country. Hence, to know about the viral infection of calves is, so there are two types of diseases. One is spring viremia of calves, and other is swim bladder inflammation in calves. These two viral diseases are found in calves. First is, yesterday I had already explained about the spring viremia of calves. It is called CVC, or this the infection in calves occur in any stage of the fish, whether it is fry, whether it is fingerling, advanced fingerling, or table fish. It occurs in all the stages of calves. The species affected all the calves means Labiorhita, Katla, Sihanus megala, silver carp, glass carp, common carp, and so all the calves become affected by this virus, spring viremia of calves virus. Now, the symptom which are found, here the color of the affected calves, affected fishes become darkened, very dark, and hemorrhages occur. Petechial hemorrhages occur in the skin as well as gills. Hemorrhages occurs in the skin as well as gills as patches, and there is a loss of balance as well as abdominal increase in abdomen, that is abdominal dropsy, that is liquid abdomen remains filled with excess liquid. Hence it is abdominal dropsy. These are the effect on host. So effect on host, petechial hemorrhage over viscera inside the body, all the body organs lying in the body cavity. So petechial hemorrhage in the viscera as well as the necrotic enteritis. Necrotic enteritis means the alimentary canal or enteric canal that becomes necrotic, that undergoes the process of rotting or decaying. That adopt the process of decaying. So that is necrosis. Now, the other disease which has been encountered in fishes, in calves, and the viral disease encountered in calves is swim bladder diseases. Swim bladder disease. Swim bladder disease. Here, as we know that swim bladder helps in swimming, and it keeps air inside the swim bladder, and with buoyancy increases, and which helps in floating in swimming. So this is a disease caused by a variant of rhabdovirus carpio. That is variant of caused by rhabdovirus carpio. Rhabdovirus carpio, that is the name of the virus. In this, there is this is a very specific condition of young cyprinid fishes in fly stage, in fingerling stage, in advanced fingerling stage. This viral disease has been found, has been encountered, and it is common during early summer. Early summer means May, June, July, up to July, yes, in early summer, and remains for 2 to 3 months. From May to May, June, July, it remains up to 2 to 3 months. A specific species affected. All the species of carps like Katla, Libio, Rohita, Sirhinus, Merigla, Hypophthalmictis, Mollifidex, Ctenophorus, Pharingodon, Idella, and 3 varieties of common carp, Cyprinus carpio, scale carp, miller carp. So all the types of carps become affected by this. Here, so all the carps. Here, external symptom. External symptom is the fishes, the color of the body becomes very dark. So darkly colored, and loss of weight as well as balance. Because balance is maintained with the help of the air bladder, and here swim bladder there is inflation. Inflammation in swim bladder, and that inflammation is only due to the infection by the virus, and the effect on host. It is very important that fish develop abdominal distension. That is most remarkable feature. Abdominal distension means पेट जो है वो बढ़ जाता है. एब्डोमिनल डिस्टेंशन. मोस्ट रिमार्केबल फीचर इज degeneration. The most as it is swim bladder inflammation. So the most important character is the degeneration of the swim bladder. How swim bladder degenerates? As the first chamber, there are 2 chambers. The first chamber that becomes congested. The first, it means it shrinks. So first chamber shrinks, and there is petechial hemorrhage, and in that chamber hemorrhage and necrosis takes place. So it becomes congested. Firstly, it becomes shrink. Its size was this. Its size was this. Now it has become shrink, and then petechial hemorrhage and necrosis is taking place. So it becomes congested, completely compact, and a small, shrunken state. So it is the completely shrunken state, while the first chamber, anterior chamber, while the posterior chamber, other region of the swim bladder, that becomes so that remains intact. There is no any changes in the second swim bladder second chamber. So one is causative agent is variant of rhabdovirus. Causative agent is the variant of it is rhabdovirus carpio. We may say carpio because it is affecting here the calves. Now the treatment measures which is required for these viral diseases, IHNV or VHS, infectious IHNV, infectious hematopoietic necrosis virus caused by this virus. So all the different types of viral disease, the treatment, as I had already explained, that avoidance of infection or chemotherapy with synthetic polynucleotide. Chemotherapy. First is chemotherapy. First thing is to save from the infection, and second is chemotherapy with the help of synthetic nucleotide. Second is raising the temperature, raising the temperature of the water to control the IHNV infection. It has, as per Amend has reported that Amend in 1970 that raising the temperature of ambient water to control the IHNV infection. Amend 1970, and then immunization of stocking material with immunization, chemotherapy by polynucleotide and immunization with polynucleotide, synthetic polynucleotide, and raising the temperature. And third is the immunization that is with the sonicated, that is with the all the stocking material should be immersed in the virulent strains, that is live antigens. The stocking material is immersed in the antigen, immersed in the solution containing the antigen. So live antigens. It is immunization. Fourth is mass vaccination. Immunization. Now mass vaccination. Mass vaccination means immersing the stocking material in hyperosmotic solution containing the antigens. Hyperosmotic solution of the antigen, where mass vaccination is done by immersing. And next is so these things are treatment measures for this viral disease. Now viral diseases in prawn. Out of the 14 varieties of 14 varieties of 14 varieties, out of 14 viruses, only 3 viruses have been found to infect prawn. Now, viral diseases in prawn. How? Out of 14, only three virus species have been found to infect the prawns, that is prawns, and they, after infection, causes prawn disease in India. In the last 15 or 16 years. These viruses are three: monodon baculovirus, MBV, and yellow head disease virus, YH, yellow head disease YHDV. First is monodon baculovirus, second is yellow head disease virus YHDV, and third is white spot disease virus WSDV. So these are the three types of virus. The three types of virus: monodon baculovirus, yellow head disease virus, and lastly white spot disease virus. These are the three types of diseases. Out of 14 viruses, only 3 viruses have been found to infect the prawns. Here, there are two types of. Yesterday, in my previous classes, I had already explained that there are two types of viruses. One is one virus which contains RNA inside the protein coat. So those viruses are called riboviruses or ribovirus. So because RNA remains inside the capsid. Nucleocapsid means nucleic acid as well as protein, nucleoprotein, or capsid is nucleic acid as well as protein. Outermost protein inside is nucleic acid. So one is first is so riboviruses are those viruses which contain RNA as nucleic acid inside the protein coat. They are known as ribovirus, and they are bullet shaped and rhabdoviridae of the type or of the group rhabdoviridae. Different. Yesterday I had already explained that two types of virus. They are DNA virus, deoxyribovirus, DNA virus, that was herpes viridae of group herpes viridae and iridoviridae, and the rest are RNA virus. These are picornaviridae, reoviridae, rhabdoviridae. So these all are RNA. These all have content ribonucleic acid inside in the capsid, in the nucleoprotein capsid. So yellow head disease virus, that is ribovirus here. Here in the virus which infect the prawns, that is first is ribovirus means yellow head disease virus. That is its size is as these are very microscopic. They are seen only under electron microscope, and the size of this yellow head disease virus is 180 into 75 nanometer. 180 to 75 nanometer, and presence of envelope, that is positive, and that is protein envelope, and shape is bullet shaped, and group is rhabdoviridae. Now riboviruses are contain RNA, while deoxyriboviruses they contain DNA, and the protein is outermost covering. Capsid, nucleocapsid means nucleic acid as well as protein. So deoxyribovirus is contain DNA. These are two types. Only three types of virus have been so far have been reported to infect the prawn. First is the ribovirus, that is yellow head disease virus, and the one is ribovirus, that is yellow head disease virus, and only two. The two is monodon baculovirus first, and the two that is DNA virus, that is deoxyribovirus, and the deoxyribovirus, monodon baculovirus, as well as this white spot disease virus, WSDV, white spot disease virus. The monodon type baculovirus, MBV, it is 75 nanometer into 300 nanometer, and it is also presence of envelope, it means that is positive, and baculovirus, it is called the group is baculovirus, and so deoxyribovirus, first is this monodon baculovirus, and the second is white spot disease virus, WSDV, which infects the prawn, and it is this WSDV, white spot disease virus, is also known as systemic ectodermal mesodermal baculovirus. Same BV, this WSDV, white spot disease virus, is also known as same BV, systemic ectodermal mesodermal baculovirus. So same BV, it is the same. Its size is 80 to 270 nanometer, and presence of envelope, that is also envelope, it is positive, and group is of, it is also of baculovirus disease. So the RNA virus that was of rhabdovirus disease, and rhabdovirus, and